have the honor to present the new High Commissioner of Credence to the Republic of Fiji. His Excellency, Mr. Michael John Henry.
The letter of credence, with which His Excellency Sir Tom Masters, KBE, the King's representative of the Cook Islands, has addressed to Your Excellency. Accrediting me as the resident High Commissioner of the Cook Islands to the Republic of Fiji. Your Excellency, I also have the honour to present the letter of recall of my predecessor. Your Excellency.
Lalabalavu. Please convey to His Excellency the King's representatives, the government and the people of the Cook Islands our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.